Hi everyone, my name is Marcin Mikus and I am photo retoucher and Photoshop instructor. If you are here, you are probably someone who is into Photoshop and retouching. And it's quite possible that you are a person who has wondered how to get that perfect magazine cover look. Maybe you want to get into high-end beauty retouch, or maybe you're someone who's already been into beauty retouch for a while and just want to get some of the new techniques or maybe improve your current skills. If you are any of this person, you are in the right place. In this 6 hours video course, I'm going to show you techniques that are going to push you into a totally new level in photo retouching. You have probably seen a lot of free video tutorials around the web, and still you cannot get this something that you can see on the image. You maybe know some of the techniques, some basic techniques like frequency separation. Maybe you know a little bit about dodge and burn. I'm here to show you all of the potential that Photoshop gives you in photo retouching. We are going to talk about some of the popular techniques which are highly used, but you might not know really all of the potential that these techniques giving you, because no one explained you this very well and no one showed you this, because I can guarantee you won't find all of this explanation that I'm showing you in this course, as well as we're going to talk about really advanced techniques using to do high-end beauty retouch. Except the knowledge and amazing skills, you are going to get the lifetime access into resources and future updates that are going to speed up your workflow. If you are not convinced, you can have a look at the image before and then after retouching, where I used all of the techniques that I'm showing in this video course.